You watch the tariff story building from Thursday, and markets trying to put some context around it right now. Gary Cohn and others, Paul Ryan, many voices at the White House speaking out against this. So the extent to which it is introduced in the way that markets assume it will be is still unclear, isn't it? And then the extent to which we get retaliatory moves from the EU and others, a lot of uncertainties.
I mean, I think there are a couple of spheres of uncertainty. The first is, what is the president going to do? And I mean, I think the backlash that he's seen from market commentators and from his own administration relate to the actual effectiveness of a tariff at what he's trying to achieve. If he's trying to make American steel more competitive, it's not entirely clear that putting a tariff out on steel with China is actually going to achieve that. The second is that the president himself often kind of vacillates between the two views, and he seems to be very much driven by what the stock market's reaction is to what he says. And so the question would be how does he kind of put that together if stock market becomes more negative? I mean, obviously, the idea about tariffs is that it slows global trade, and that'll be negative for global growth, which will have implications for the stock market. But the extent to which the tariffs are implemented, which countries are included, how prohibitive are they, are a critical part. But the market is now trying to decide whether Trump is actually going to go through with it, or if he's going to, take a deep breath and look at it more kind of holistically.
Yeah, and if he does, how thoroughly, we'll see.